Yeah, I played queen. It played queen f1, not queen g1. Okay, one more. I was actually doing really well that time. Yeah, I was doing really well, and then it caught me up with that, expecting the queen to the other square. Let's mate. Should be here and here. That's good. That's good. Wait. Okay, mate, that's good. Being too careless here, trying to finish this puzzle off too fast. Oh, you just take block. Okay. We check and mate. That's good. That's good. It could be takes an a4, I guess, and here and here and here. That's good. That's good. It could be queen h3. Could also be like, the heck is this? Could be the heck is this puzzle? I just got stuck. I don't know what this puzzle is. It could be knight e3. I actually have no idea what this is. The heck is this puzzle? Rook c5 is no good. I mean, knight d3. What is it? I don't. Oh, because king d2, there's rook g2.